This is an apartment that I'm looking at. Kitchen is small. It's the pantry. Those are the cabinets. So this kitchen has a weird shape. It's very small, but the other part of the apartment is big. So I think this is the living room, I believe. Here is a closet. Nice size closet. This is the dining room. Let's see. Look how big this dining room is, y'all. Those are bookshelves. There's the fireplace. I don't know if it really works or not. There's a linen closet. Now mind you, this is a 1-bedroom, y'all. This is the bathroom. The light is not working. Got to do some more work in here. Yeah, need some more work. It's the medicine cabinet. Nothing fancy. And this is the bedroom. There's a closet there. And look at this nice size bedroom. Really nice. From this angle. Oh, I wish I could get this apartment, but I believe they want too much money for it. Got a lot of space here. Back in the dining room. Or this may be the living room. I think this is the dining room right here. Right off of the kitchen here. This is the dining room. It has a lot of storage, y'all. Only thing I don't like is this small kitchen. But being that you have a dining room, that helps a lot. So let me go. You will be going on some more apartment tours with me after I look for an apartment. Okay.